Hi everybody, and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. My name is Tina Bear, and that's my name. Da-da-da. We are gonna take this food, put it in the pot, make a nice meal, and then we're gonna eat it, and we're gonna move on. Hi everybody, and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. My name is Tina Bear, and if you are new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you get all our wonderful videos. We love to hear from you, so leave us a comment, tell us what you think, tell us if you'd like to spice it up, how you like it. Today we are making a simple, easy pork loin in the Instapot. We are going to be making a kind of a holiday themed cranberry gravy that's going to be cooked together with it. So let's get started. I have some soup mix you could buy at the market. If you have a recipe of your own that you make homemade, please share it with us. I'd love to hear from you. We're going to go ahead and just cover the whole loin with the onion soup mix. So just gonna move it around, get every bit of it covered. Now you could use your hands, that would be fine. Look at that. Does that look delicious? Yeah. We have the Instapot set for saute, so I'm going to add some butter. Sizzle. And we're gonna put the red onion. This is one red onion. If you like it more oniony and chunky, you could do two, but one is good enough. We're gonna stir that around. I'll let that cook for just a minute. Now this recipe has a lot of holiday flavors going in with it. We have tarragon, we have sage, we have some fennel, a little bit of Dijon. But if you like maybe some rosemary, you could do rosemary. That sounds super good. And some salt and pepper. So just put as much or little as you like. I like a lot of pepper in mine. You like a lot of pepper? Salty? I got salt for you. You're a little salty. All right, so we're gonna let that cook just a little bit till they start getting a little tender. And then what we're going to do is, I need a bigger bowl. Bigger bowl. I need a bigger bowl. I need a bigger bowl. In the meantime, when a bigger bowl. Here, I have a bigger bowl. We are going to, let me flip this guy over. Let me set him aside. There you go. We're going to go ahead and pour everything into a bowl, and then we're going to pour it over the pork loin. So this cranberry sauce I made in the Instapot, super easy, super delicious. I know the holidays are going to be coming. But if you are like one of my daughters in our family, loves cranberry sauce all year long. So this is easy to make. You can make it in a heartbeat. You could use frozen cranberries or you could use the fresh. Stir it up. So if you like this recipe, go ahead and look in the link below, and also check out the cranberry sauce recipe, super easy. All right, just like that. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and put the pork loin in. Oh, and this is a big baby. Look at that baby. Let it brown for just a minute. It always is better with a little bit of color on it. I don't know why, it just tastes better, adds flavor. I know all you barbecue people out there like those grill marks and a little bit of flavor on their meat. Oh yeah. There you go. I'm going to turn it over just like that. Then we're going to go ahead and pour this on top of the loin. We're going to cover it, cook it for about 12 minutes, and let it naturally release for about another 15 minutes. Just like that. It's thick and delicious. Let me turn this off. And don't forget to seal it. You have to seal it. It's not going to cook if you don't. And that's it. I will show you the finished product if I don't eat it all before you come back. All right, I could smell this pork loin cooking. We released the rest of the pressure in here and it smells amazing. So let's take a little look. Whoa. Everyone who owns an Instapot, when they take off the lid and that steam comes up with all the flavors, it's an awe moment. It's delicious. Okay, let's take it out. I got my tongs. Okay, got my tongs. I got a fork. Look at the beast. Looks amazing. And the gravy. So it's the cranberry gravy, the Dijon mustard, the fennel. Now, when you are doing, using your cranberry, of course I made mine. So I made it a little bit smoother and just left a few chunks. So you can make it a smooth, thick, chunky, however you want. That's the gravy. Now normally I would let this rest for about looking at you, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. I would tent it and let it rest. But for the show, I'm going to take a bite because I don't want to wait. So let's see, this bad beast. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? Let me turn it. It's perfect. Oh, it's so tender every single time we make it. Now, I only have gravy right here, so it's my gravy. Oh boy. It's hot. It's hot, but it's worth it to burn your mouth when it first comes out. Don't do that. It's super delicious. The fennel the Dijon, the cranberry, the sage, they all go really good together. I chopped up some of the fennel prawns just to sprinkle over it for visual, give it some green. And I have extra gravy to pour alongside. I hope you try it. It is super, super amazing good. And let me know what you think. Leave me a comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time.